There were already 8 presidents after my term. And together, we have our shared vision of advancing the region's manufacturing and export capabilities. Over the years, we have faced various challenges that caused economic losses, but we countered these setbacks by launching vital projects. Allow me to outline some of our historical challenges and targeted initiatives that we have done to counter the challenges that we met in all these years. In 1991, I'm sure many of you remember the devastation caused by the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in 1991. Actually, the eruption of Mount Pinatubo paved the way in the business establishments, the companies, the exporters, to band together and form Philexport Region 3. That single event of the eruption of Mount Pinatubo put us all together and come up with Philexport Region 3. With the end in mind at that particular time was to rehabilitate the companies. There were a lot of destruction that took place in 1991. Buildings were destroyed, machineries were really tampered with, a lot of destruction that happened. And so it was so difficult to find funds to reconstruct and to restart the engine of business. That is why Philexport Region 3 turned out to be the key in order to get the funding necessary by working with TLRC that appropriated some funds for those affected by Mount Pinatubo. Here in Region 3, especially in Pampanga, the vibrant heart of our creative industries, we see a thriving influx of people drawn to our local workshops for furniture, accessories. Thank you. As we look around this magnificent NewDeco Central, 1,000 square meters. We are not just looking at a building or a collection of beautiful products. We are looking at the literal definition of our resilience. We are looking at a creative community. So to our valued clients, partners, and guests, thank you for believing in our craft. It is a privilege to serve you. Your support is the very foundation of what we do. We look forward to creating more beautiful experiences together. To my fellow members and our new generation, marami ng new generation dito, mga anak na dati kasama natin na nauna. Our legacy is secure, but our future is just beginning. Let us continue to design with passion, innovate with purpose, and lead with heart. Together, let us show the world the absolute best of what the Filipino talent can do. Are you with me in setting our sights, in scaling the showroom from 1,000 to 3,000? Pwede ba yun? making it even bigger for our future growth? Let us dream big, push boundaries, and make it happen. Thank you and congratulations to Philexport Region 3, and we have many more decades of shared success.